Hey everyone, it's Emily. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make pumpkins out of air dry clay. Let's get on with the video. The first thing you want to do is that you want to roll a piece of air dry clay into the shape you want your pumpkin to be in. When you're done shaping your pumpkin, you want to poke one tiny hole where you want the top of the pumpkin to be, and another one at the bottom of the pumpkin with a toothpick. After you make both of the holes, you want to put the sharp end of the toothpick next to the hole on the top. Then you want to press the round edge of the toothpick in the clay, and you want to keep doing this until you have a line to the other hole. When you're done making one line, you want to do this 3 more times, and this will divide the pumpkin into 4 sections. Once you're done dividing the pumpkin in 4 sections, you want to follow all of the same steps, but you want to add another line in between each section, and this will divide the pumpkin into 8 sections. When you're done creating the sections, you can go back and roll the round edge of the toothpick in each line that you made, and this will help round out each line. You can also go back and smooth out anything that you messed up or you don't like with your finger. Once you're done making the lines, you can put detail on each section of the pumpkin by taking the sharp end of your toothpick and making a few thin lines in each section. Now when you're done with your pumpkin, you can make your stem, and you want to start out by rolling out a rope with more clay, and you can make it any length and thickness that you want. When you're done rolling it out, you can flatten the bottom of the stem, and you also want to rip a little bit off of what you just flattened because it will be easier to blend the bottom of the stem on the pumpkin. While you're doing this, make sure to check how big the stem is over the pumpkin because you don't want it too big. Now to attach the stem, you want to take your finger and push down where the hole is on the top of the pumpkin. Then you want to score where you push down and on the bottom of the stem. Then you want to put water on the scored part of the clay and place the stem where you want it to be. After you place the stem on the pumpkin, you can twist the stem. When you like how you twisted the stem, you can take the end of something round and blend the stem and the pumpkin together. I use the end of a crochet hook. Then you want to give the stem texture by making lines on the stem with your toothpick. You can also take the toothpick and poke where the edge of the stem is on the pumpkin, so it's not too smooth and it has some texture. Once you like how your pumpkin looks, you can place it on a piece of plastic wrap and wait for it to dry. When the clay is dry, you want to paint your pumpkins any color that you want, and then you're all done. That's how you make these air dry clay pumpkins. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about these clay pumpkins. And if you like this video, subscribe to see more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!